Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video on our Nifty weekly series. So this is for the week of April 7th to 11th. So if you see on April 7th, the market opened with a huge gap down because of Trump's tariffs and Chinese retaliation to it. They also imposed 125% tariffs on US. And because of this, all world markets were tanking down, fearing a recession. And even our market tanked down 5% with the tariff fear and global trade war. Okay, so but it tanked down, but it still tried to recover to certain extent and fill the gap. Yeah, and overall it was, it tried to fill the gap to a certain extent with a slight upside moment. It tried to fill it. So that was the April 7th, and yeah, the market was trading below super trend, the trading MA. Okay, and April 8th, the market opened with a gap up because Trump has postponed the tariffs implementation for 3 months, and he himself became a panican because this panican, there is no word called panican in Oxford Dictionary. This is a new invention by Trump called panican. So and he caved in basically, and due to the market fall as well as major protest happening across the USA, and all major think tanks and leaders criticized his decision all over the world. So he said he'll postpone his tariffs thing for 3 months, but only for China he has not postponed it. Okay, so markets feeling a breather now of having 3 months more time for trade war to start, or till then we are good, right? So basically, they were bullish again. Okay, and market opened a gap up here, and market was above the CPR range. The CPR was narrow on this day, like slightly narrow on this day. Market was trading. It basically took resistance of 200 EMA and then broke the 200 EMA. Was trading at the 200 EMA at the end of the day. April 9th, if you see, market opened with a red candle. It was range bound throughout the day. So market, there was not much movement in the market. It was totally range bound, a seller's day. April 10th was a holiday, and April 11th, the market again opened the gap up. So bullish sentiment across the markets. And it was trading above super trend as well as 13 EMA and VWAP throughout the day. CPR range was very narrow on this day, and market basically covered up the fall, uh, and the gap down on Monday. Whatever fall has done, it has covered up that gap in this week. So if you see the daily time frame, so the daily time frame, the market was a huge fall, and then it tried to recover, and it recovered. Okay, so it is highly bearish to recovering the gap down in the week. So that's what is happening, and but it's still below 200 EMA, and it is lying between S3 and S4 support. Okay, and the weekly time frame, if you see, Nifty formed a very big green candle, so with high strength, indicating bullish dominance. Even though in Monday sellers dominance was there, but throughout the week the gap was filled, and bulls have tried to cover the gap created by sellers because of positive sentiment also across the world of Trump caving in and taking a 3 month time to uh, re- look at his decision. Okay, but it is still below the super trend and 45 WMA. So overall, okay, that also we need to keep in mind. Monthly time frame, it's a big red candle with a huge wick. Okay, on the bottom, which shows sellers trying to defend their position, but still above 200 EMA and above 45 WMA and super trend, which indicates a bullish trend, and this is only a retracement being done, and the short term trend is bearish, and market is taking the support of S3. So if you see last 3 months, market is at S3 and is just being there within a certain range at S3 Camarilla pivot point. So that's it, guys, for the weekly analysis. Thanks everyone for joining the call. Have a nice